Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Maggie Raj here, and now we are going to discuss about the alpha particle scattering. So, what is alpha particle scattering? So, let me consider here alpha particle scattering. So, let me consider here this is any radioactive substance. This place inside this is radioactive substance which emits alpha particle or alpha beta gamma particle spontaneously. So just here we concentrate about the alpha scattering. So this is alpha particle whose energy is approx 5.5 MeV. Okay, it falls on the gold foil. This is gold foil whose size is 2.1 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Very thin size. Okay. This is gold foil. So whenever this alpha particle falls on this gold foil, so maximum alpha particle get transmit from it and produce the scintillation on this ZNS plate. So this is ZNS plate, and here produce the scintillation. Okay, so चमक प्रोड्यूस होती है इसमें, जो ये चीज के लिए प्रूवमेंट है, बताता है कि यहाँ से मैक्सिमम अल्फा पार्टिकल ट्रांसमिट कर गए हैं. ओके, और अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6 to 8,000 अल्फा पार्टिकल्स जब एक साथ इस पर फॉल करते हैं. ओके, व्हेनेवर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6 to 8,000 अल्फा पार्टिकल फॉल्स together on this gold foil, then one alpha particle get deviates at the right angle, 90 डिग्री पर मुड़ता है. और जब अप्रोक्सीमेटली 20,000 अल्फा पार्टिकल एक साथ इस गोल्ड फॉयल पर गिरते हैं तो उनमें कोई एक अल्फा पार्टिकल 180 डिग्री पर टर्न कर जाता है. सो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट द अल्फा पार्टिकल स्कैटरिंग व्हेनेवर एनी दिस इज अ रेडियोएक्टिव सब्सटेंस which emits spontaneously the alpha beta gamma particle. Here we concentrate only about the alpha particles. So here it spontaneously produce the alpha particle, and this alpha particle whose energy is approximately 5.5 MeV, million electron volt. It falls on the gold foil whose size is a very thin, like 2.1 into 10 power minus 7 meter. So whenever these alpha particle falls on this gold foil, so all the alpha particle, maximum mostly all the alpha particle transmitted, okay, or crossed this gold foil and produce the scintillation on this ZNS plate, जिंक सल्फाइड प्लेट पर चमक प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, उत्पन्न करते हैं, scintillation. Okay, so the mostly all the alpha particle get transmitted from this gold foil and produce the scintillation on this ZNS plate. And whenever approximately 6 to 8,000 alpha particle get fall on this gold foil together, then one alpha particle get deviates at the right angle, and approximately whenever 20,000 alpha particle falls together on this gold foil, then one alpha particle get turned back at the 180 degree angle. Okay, so it is shaped like, we can also draw its diagram like this. This is any radioactive substances which emits alpha particle spontaneously, and here it travel in the form of beam of light. So here adjust the lead bricks. So these are the lead bricks using this, all the alpha particle converges in the form of beam of light, and all the alpha particle falls on the this gold foil, okay, and produce the scintillation in this screen. Okay, so this is its diagram for the scattering of alpha particle, and whenever we will show in the atom, so we can also draw it like this. This is atom, and this is the nucleus where present positively charged. So whenever alpha particle falls on it, then maximum alpha particle transmitted like this, okay. These are the alpha particles. Okay, and whenever approximately 6 to 8,000 means अगर 8,000 अल्फा पार्टिकल एक साथ फॉल करें तो कोई एक अल्फा पार्टिकल जो होगा वो ऐसे टर्न करेगा राइट एंगल पर। आप इसको कह सकते हैं कि ये जो एंगल है ये कितना है, राइट एंगल, 90 डिग्री एंगल आएगा, ओके। ऐसे ये एंगल जो है 90 डिग्री होगा। और अप्रॉक्सीमेटली अगर हम 20,000 अल्फा पार्टिकल एक साथ इसमें फॉल करा दें, 20,000 अल्फा पार्टिकल्स, सो ऐसे ये अल्फा पार्टिकल जाएंगे, इनमें से सारे ट्रांसमिट कर जाएंगे, कोई एक अल्फा पार्टिकल जो होगा ऐसे टर्न कर जाएगा बैक में। इट मीन्स इसके और इसके बीच में 180 डिग्री का गैप है। सो इसी के बारे में हमने अभी डिस्कस किया कि जब एक साथ whenever approximately 6 to 8,000 alpha particle falls together on this, then one alpha particle out of all the alpha particles turn at right angle, means 90 degree पर turn करेगा। and whenever approximately 20,000 alpha particle falls together, then in that one alpha particle out of 20,000 alpha particle turn at 180 degree. So this is the alpha particle scattering, and here according to the Geiger and Martian experiment, according to the Geiger and Martian experiment, according to the Geiger and Martian experiment, the number of alpha particle whatever we scattered like this is the nucleus where present the positively charged, and these alpha particle falls in it, so it deviates with some angle like this, and mostly alpha particle get transmitted in this way. So here this is the angle of scattering. So according to the Geiger and Marsden, the number of alpha particles, these are known as number of scattered alpha particles, and proportional 1 upon sin power 4 theta by 2. This is the rule of Geiger and Marsden experiment. Okay, so whenever alpha particle falls on the gold atom, gold foil, then mostly alpha particle get transmitted, but some alpha particles deviates with some an angle. So according to Geiger and Marsden, the number of scattered alpha particle proportional to 1 upon sine power 4 bracket theta by 2. So this is the law of Giger and Marsden. Okay, so and it is the rule, and its graph will be in the form of exponential like this. Okay, so curve between n and theta. You know, n is the number of scattered alpha particle and theta is the angle, that's the deviate alpha particle after the falling of the gold atom. So this curve is just like this, is theta in degree, 0, 20, 40, 60, 180, and these are 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the m number of scattered alpha particle, and this is the angle. So its curve will be just like this accordingly. Okay, it is the curve between n and theta, where n is the number of alpha particle whatever scattered, and this theta is the angle that's deviate whenever alpha particle falls on the gold foil. Okay, and now let me discuss about the impact parameter. So what is impact parameter? So we can say that whenever alpha particle falls on the gold foil or gold atom, so let me consider this is the nucleus where charge present plus Ze, and in this atom whenever alpha particle falls in it, so its velocity vector of the alpha particle, okay, that is v, this is velocity vector of alpha particle, and this is the nucleus. Okay, so whenever alpha particle falls in it, then it deviates with some an angle, and this is the velocity vector direction. So impact parameter is the perpendicular distance. It is the perpendicular distance from nucleus to the velocity vector. It means B is equals to perpendicular length between nucleus and velocity vector of alpha particle. यानी जो अल्फा पार्टिकल है उसका वेलोसिटी वेक्टर और न्यूक्लियस के बीच की परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस होती है, और इसकी वैल्यू होती है b इज इक्वल टू 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट ze स्क्वायर कॉट 5/2 अपॉन ek, that it means kinetic energy. So this is the parameter, and this is the angle, we can say that phi. Okay, so you know what is the impact parameter. So it is the perpendicular length between the nucleus and the velocity vector of the alpha particles. So that is equals to b equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught ze square cot 5/2 upon ek, that means kinetic energy ek equals to, okay, so it is b, that is impact parameter. Okay, impact parameter. Okay.